Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to give you a sensory idea and how you can do this. So there's two things that you could do with this. This is just a sensory bag for your students. So they could play with this sensory bag all on its own and it be a communication opportunity, fun-filled activity for them. So what it is, and you can make this into an activity for them as well, with following directions or giving you commands on what to put in the bag, or that you need to get a bag, you need to put in the hair gel. You could also be telling them and them following the directions, and then you can talk about how you want to add in glitter, if you want to add in some coloring to it. But then it's just a fun activity, and then you can talk about how it feels, commenting on whether they like it, and then you could just draw shapes with their fingers, so you could work on letters with it. Or I also thought you could work on finding, if they've got target words for the week, put the bag over a low-tech communication board. So you can get these from your SLP that works with you. You could get them from your consultant that's in your area. You could also download them for free. Go to Basque AAC's YouTube channel, and I'm a co-collaborator on that YouTube channel as well. And we have made videos showing you step-by-step on how to go to a website for either Saltillo, PRC, for Assistive Wear, and Tobii Dynavox, and how to navigate through their site to get to where you can print these off for free. So all I have here is just a low-tech communication board. I'm just gonna put my gel sensory bag on top of it, okay? And then I'm gonna kind of smush out the gel so it's a blank slate here. And then we could say, all right, I want you to find the word stop. And so then they can like move their finger around until they found the word stop, and then move their fingers. And they can say, I found stop. And you can do that, continue to do that. You could also do it if you have a letterboard on the back, or keyboard on the back. You could find letters and then draw them again into the gel. So it's just an all-around fun activity. You can shape it to whatever your needs and wants are for it. All right, so there's another AAC creative activity that you could do with your child or your student. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.